don't eat any till a grown-up checks them and makes sure they're okay.
What you got, Eli-O? What do you got? What you got over there, Meals? Show me. And where'd you get that? We got that yesterday when you were doing the bouncy castle? Your pumpkin? You got one for Eli too? Where's Eli's? Where's Eli's pumpkin? Let me see. There's his little pumpkin. Alright. Oh, you're a goof.
Mr. Doof here. It's a very urgent situation. Grace wants to pick strawberries for her family lunch.